Hi guys, what's going on? I'm back, yay! I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm back. And yes, I re-dyed my hair. Wow, I just brushed it so it looks better. I just realized this camera makes me look so pale. It's my laptop. For Christmas I want a camera, and I'm gonna buy one myself. So anyway, first off, I will get to what this, well, you see by the title what this video is about. And I do put a warning, well, not yet. First, look at this can. I actually have no idea what it is, but I got it at Dollar Tree. Yet another day has passed without me using algebra once. I'm going to quote Markiplier when I say this. Like, favorite, and subscribe if you think that's true. Like, favorite, and subscribe if you think that's true. 'Cause it is. Trust me. Well, okay, maybe not. Why can't they teach basic math in school? Just saying. Anyway, so this is going to be video number 1. I'm planning on making 2 videos today because I haven't made a video in a month or 2, and I want to make up for that. So today's video is about helicopter parents. And first off, this audience is for, let me rephrase that. The audience this is made for is teenagers like me, even parents, I don't care, but not really. Yes, but not really. That made total sense, Hannah. You're great. Don't know what that was. So, warning, I may swear, but hey, I might not put warnings because it happens. It's how you get your point across. Not really. Don't do that. It's how you can let your rage out. But first, I'd like to make a point clear. If you say my videos are cringy, can you at least tell me why? I'd like to know so I can work on that. Just saying. And hopefully my guinea pig will be quiet during these videos because I think she's possessed by a demon. Yes, I just said that about my guinea pig on YouTube. Don't hate me. But seriously, I'm making that up. Well, maybe I am. I don't know. So I have on my... Okay, Riley, could you stop chewing? I know you're probably hungry. I don't even know about her. Psycho. So, helicopter parents. Or parent. What is that? A rude guinea pig, that's what it is. Riley, now is not the time to be running around your cage. She scares me sometimes. Riley, I'm trying to make a video. Gosh. Comment down below if you have a rude pet. Looking at you. She doesn't care. So what is a helicopter parent? It's a noun. Informal, whatever that means. A parent who takes an overprotective or excessive interest in the life of their child or children. So that's the definition from the dictionary. That is actually in the dictionary, apparently. Apparently, I don't know. I don't have the latest dictionary that has the words selfie in it. Like, why would you... Who puts selfie in a dictionary? I don't get it. So, now segueing into that conversation of helicopter parents, there's, okay, can we, like, thank you. So I found an article on livestrong.com. Okay, sorry. I'll get to the point. I'm not good at that. So I'm going to give you an example of this from my own experience from today, which is why I was expired. Yeah, I'm expired, everybody. This is frustrating. So I was inspired to make this video, and I'll tell you why. So I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm just going to read this one paragraph. I don't know why. Parents who try to keep their I should make up bloopers. Parents who try to keep their children dependent, which means it's the opposite of independent. That's what it means. Parents who can't or won't let go and allow their young adult children to grow up and become independent might believe they are doing the right thing. While these parents believe they are doing the right thing, they are actually hurting their children by shielding them from life. Helicopter parents begin this pattern when their children are young, doing so to protect them from disappointment and mistakes. The hovering continues through the children's school years into adulthood. Why parents helicopter? Oh, here's one. As a result of the helicopter parenting they have lived under, these, like, college students, these students are burned out by the time they start college, or they are so fragile, the smallest amount of stress makes them break, says Dr. Kathleen Elliott Vinson of whatever the heck that says. Something law school. So sorry. Allergies. So, I mean, I was gonna say that's like me, but that might just because I have the patience of my guinea pig over there. None. Wait. 0. I can't believe how hair my red is. Now I see why my videos are cringy. Oh, I could be Ariel from The Little Mermaid in the play. Wherever that would be. Anyway, so I was inspired to make this video because I'm just gonna vent out. So, Sunday night, or Sunday going into Monday, it's making weird sounds. So, technically Monday, well, I don't know. Sunday night going into Monday, I don't know. I was sleeping peacefully, and then I wake up to the sharp, excruciating pain in my hip. And then, like, throughout the week, it's Saturday now, it's been like that. And my mom jinxed me. Yesterday, it was actually feeling good, and then she says, it's getting better. And now I woke up to the same pain today. So, thanks, Mom. I know you're gonna watch this video, so thanks, I blame it on you. And I'll remind you of that. Anyway, so, I mean, I think it's my hip. I'm not exactly sure, because I don't know the human anatomy. Sorry. Stay focused, Anna. You got this, girl. Self-motivation. So I wanted to go to the doctor because, you know, and I wanted to go to the doctor like maybe Tuesday or yes, I know, the next day. But you know, I had a good point because should I have to be in excruciating pain? Like, I couldn't even wipe my ass. TMI, but I couldn't wipe my ass. It hurt so much. That's a problem to me. I don't know, is it just me or is that a problem? Anyway, keep saying that. Anywho, so here it is, Saturday. I really wanted to go on Friday, which was yesterday. And again, depending when you watch this video, it is the 11th of November. Just so you know. Here, anyway, I don't know about the other half of the world. So, I think Wednesday, either Wednesday or Tuesday, my mother made a promise that she would take me to my orthopedic doctor if the pain kept going. She said until Tuesday because she doesn't have work. Well, I want to go today, but that's not gonna happen because they think both my parents think I pulled a muscle. Now, I know the hip has a lot of muscles, so let me actually look that up while I'm saying this. But, because it's like, hold on, let me get a good shot for you. The pain's right here. Like, the pain is right here, like, hands on your hip. The pain's in that area, and it's, like, painful. Like, really painful. I've been having trouble, like, sleeping, walking. Just saying. What do I look up? Hip anatomy. Wow, where's the hip bone? Like, seriously. Hip joint anatomy. So if you could see this, let it focus. This is the hip. So you got your butt, other things. Now, I personally don't know how high the hip goes up, but that's just me. Here's another picture so you get an idea. Here, so it looks like the hip goes up pretty high. I don't know what that red is. That, wait, I can zoom in. No, oh yes I can. Is that a tendon? Question mark. Don't know because it won't let me see. But yeah, like my mom was like, it's not in your bone, otherwise you wouldn't be walking. Well, I feel it in my bone, so, and I'm kind of awkwardly walking, like every time I get up I'm kind of like bent forward a little bit. Rah. So, any doctors out there, can you please, like, help me? Please? Anyway, so I wanted to go to the doctor. My parents say no. So, because it's just, you just twisted it, or because you sleep weird. Which I do. I sleep with my legs crossed. But I always done that, so why would it start hurting now? Like, this is my left leg, and this is my right leg. That's how I sleep. I don't even sleep on my pillow. Ugh. Which explains why my neck hurts right now. And all the time. Anyway. There we go, saying it again. I need to talk to myself. So. Lost my train of thought, come on. So, now, off the thing that they don't, I want to say they don't really care that, you know, I'm in excruciating pain and no one believes me. You know, I don't know if anyone knows how that feels, but it hurts. No, but seriously, like, everyone wants me to be in excruciating pain because they don't believe me and my head is not in the full picture. Here. There we go. So, I wanted to do volleyball now. Like, just for fun, even though it's, like, competitive. But what did my parents say? Well, they said a few things, but they say, one, you're already doing something, because I have bowling tryouts, because bowling is everything to my dad. Which, I don't know, like, it's like, I don't like bowling that much, that that's all I care about. Like, I want to do other things, but I can't make choices for myself, apparently. So, and then, two, he said, what about your hip? I was like, I didn't actually say this, so I was like, you don't care. Or, no, not that, but, you know, like, you said it was just fine, just twisted, just pulled a muscle. So, what does it matter? Just saying. Keep saying that, but I'm just saying. So, any teens out there, how many of you have experienced something like that? I'm really curious. Because, yes, this is a longer video than I intended. But, hey, sometimes you have to make a long video to get your point across. Thinking what to say next. Like, but am I right or am I wrong? Like, I do still want to go to the doctor because it got worse. So it's like, it feels the same it did on Monday, which is not a good thing. My mom jinxed me. I said that already, but she jinxed me. Rude. Anyway, so that is the end of this video. Please comment down below if you've experienced this before. I want to know that I'm not alone. I mean, I know I'm not. Hence helicopter parenting. It's a common thing. Either click here in the corner to see my last video, or click over here to see my last video, whatever floats your boat, and click over here to subscribe, or click the red button down below to subscribe. Come on guys, we got this. And please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the internet. Bye.